Hi friends, welcome back to Sisabel Diaries, and for today we are going to have a bicycle diary episode where every ride is a reminder to slow down, breathe, and reconnect. Today we're starting early here in Kortrijk, Belgium. So there's something special about morning like this. The streets are quiet, the air feels fresh, and for a moment everything feels still. It's like the world giving you a gentle pause before the day begins. So Kortrijk is made for biking. It has flat roads, a lot of pit spot, bike lanes, but more than that, it invites you to take your time. So not every ride has to be fast. Sometimes the slow ones are the ones that stay with us. And this morning we are here in Hebroeders van Ramdonk Park. I don't know if I pronounced the name correctly, but this park is named after two brothers, Edward and Franz van Ramdonk, the Belgian soldiers during World War I. Their story is remembered as one of the deep brotherhood. They fought side by side, and during the war they were found fallen together on the battlefield. For many, they became a symbol of loyalty, courage, and an unbreakable bond between brothers. Standing in a quiet place like this, it's hard to imagine the noise and chaos they once lived through. And somehow it reminds you how precious peace really is. As the sunlight touches the trees and the grass still holds the morning dew, everything feels softer and calmer. And in moments like this, you will realize that peace doesn't have to be far away. Sometimes it's right here in the simplest places. Like in life, we spend so much of our lives rushing, but maybe it's okay to pause, to breathe, to just exist without thinking about what's next. Because these quiet moments, they're not just breaks from life, they are life itself. And maybe today we can carry their story with us, to value connection, to move with intention, and to never take peace for granted. Thanks for riding with me. This is Isabel Diaries, and I'll see you on the next Bicycle Diary episode. Have a nice day.